Welcome aboard. Let's have a quick chat about a simplified navigation kit. The top compartment is a US surplus waterproof map bag. It's got a weight of 238 grams or 8.4 ounces. The bottom is a Kamanga compass with tritium inserts. It's got a weight of 175 grams, 6.2 ounces. Let's have a peek inside. First thing you'll see on your left is a local scale map folded to this area that we're in. Tucked in behind that, I've got a waterproof Red and Rain book, and I actually cut those in half, give myself two small books. You can carry a traverse with that, keep track of your front sights, back sights, pace count, some radio notes, whatever you've got going on. First thing out of the pouch is the compass. Usually that's going to be around my neck in my shirt pocket. This is on my persons, not in a pack that I can lose or have to dump. These two small maps on the left stay inside the main pack. A very large regional scale map, as well as the second half of that local map. Quick shot of the sizes, and you can see why I cut that other map in half. Folds up nicely, it's not too bulky. You're on one side or the other. The other one's not far away, but you don't need to carry everything with you inside this map case. There's a small notepad, a few leftover carpenter pencils, and a piece of inner tube to hold it all together. Before I head out into the field for the area I'm going to be in, I'll jot down some radio frequencies for the local area, as well as the center frequency of those groups, quarter wavelength if I have to make an antenna. Final thing to mention is a piece of duct tape on the lid of the Silver Ranger S with some declinations for your area. There's a close-up shot of the inside, and finally the Kamanga 3H with tritium. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have yourself a great day.